Why is Apple TV Remote not working? 1. The battery is low or dead. Even if it worked yesterday, a low battery can cause sudden failure. Fix: charge the remote for at least 30 minutes. 2. The remote is not paired. Bluetooth connection may be lost after updates or restarts. Fix: hold back plus volume up for 5 seconds near Apple TV. 3. Bluetooth interference. Nearby devices like Wi-Fi routers or soundbars can block the signal. Fix: move Apple TV away from other electronics. 4. Apple TV is frozen. The remote may be fine, but Apple TV isn't responding. Fix: restart Apple TV from settings or unplug it for 10 seconds. 5. Software glitch. Outdated tvOS can cause remote connection issues. Fix: update Apple TV to the latest tvOS version.